This video from Red Heart shows how to make the knit stitch using the Continental method. The knit stitch is one of two basic stitches in knitting. After casting on stitches, hold the needle with the loops in your left hand. Insert the needle into the first loop in this direction. Use the needle to scoop the yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop. Remove the loop. This counts as one knit stitch. Repeat. Insert the needle into the loop. Use the needle to scoop the yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop. Remove the loop. This counts as the second knit stitch. Insert the needle, scoop the yarn, pull through the loop. Continue with making the knit stitch for every loop. Once you complete the last loop, switch the plain needle to the right hand. If the pattern calls for the knit stitch again on row 2, continue with this process. This video was brought to you by Red Heart at redheart.com.